Welcome back guys to AR Techno. You know that I'm Techno too, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Mi Band 3 official charger. So let's get started.
So guys, to buy Mi Band 3 official charging cable, you just follow my step. So first you just open the Play Store and then search Mi Store, which is the official store of MI. Mi Store, and then just download this app. So I have already downloaded, so let's open it. Now the app is open, and in the search bar you just search Mi Band 3 charging cable. And as you can see, it is the Mi Band 3 charging cable. And this is the Mi Band 3 official charging cable, and it's cost 149 discount. This is pretty cool. So we have to add to cart, and as you know how to buy the Mi Band 3. So I am already bought Mi Band 3. So let's do the unboxing.
So guys, here was the full video how to order Mi Band 3 official charging cable with unboxing of Mi Band 3 charging cable. So as you can see, I have bought this Mi Band 3 charging cable from MI store, which is the official store of MI, and it is pretty cool, and the packing was also cool, and it was delivered to my home just with 3 days.